Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate vocal from music without any software. So for this video, I'm going to use this song from Taylor Swift called I Can See You. The first step is to download it into MP3 file and then simply visit the URL, and then after YouTube and before dot, simply type P and press enter. Now it is going to redirect you into this y2med.com. Go to audio section and click download the audio. Okay, the next step is you have to visit this website called vocalremover.org, and once you are there, visit the splitter one. Now you have to simply click on browse and upload the audio file from your computer into here. As you can see, I have already done. Since it's going to take a while, that's why I have already done it. And now as you can see, if I wanted to simply listen to the music, I'm going to turn off all of the other voice, and now simply click on the play button. So as you can see, that is only the music. Now if I wanted to only listen to vocal, I am going to simply decrease the music one and now increase the volume of the music. Now let's just go ahead and listen to the music. The vocal, sorry.
You brush past me in the hallway and you don't think I can see it through you. I've been watching.
So as you can see, that is the vocal. Now what about the bass? Let's just see it with the bass, if it's going to work with that or not. So it is actually working. And now finally the drum. So as you can see, it is actually working. Now this way you can simply separate the music, vocal, bass and drum from each other without using any tools. However, the backdraw of this website is vocalremover.org is that in 24 hours it's going to only give you 2 times that you can use it to simply separate any music from its vocal. So the solution is that you have to use a VPN and the private. The incognito mode. Incognito mode is for removing any cookies and cache from your system, and the VPN is so your main VPN should not be detected from this website. So that's why you have to use VPN. And now you don't have to use any paid VPN tool. You can just simply download Opera, since it has a built-in VPN and it is also free. You can use it at least more than 10 to 12 times per day. So as you can see, this is how you can easily separate the audio from the music. And then if you wanted to save it in your system, just simply click on save, and you can see here you can download it into as a music file. Only its music and then vocal or bass or drum. I have already downloaded them separately and I have imported them into the Camtasia Studio. And I wanted to simply replace Taylor Swift vocal with Justin Bieber, which can be done using the Google or VC. As you can see, this is the interface. It is simple, very clean. You can use it. However, if you want this process, I will also provide the video I will also provide the video after I am finished with this one. So anyway, if I have to go ahead and simply listen to this one, I think it's only vocal. Let's just go ahead and try it. Yes, it is only vocal from Taylor Swift.
You brush past me.
Yes, that is the vocal from Taylor Swift. Now I'm going to turn that off, and let's just go ahead and listen to the vocal from the Justin Bieber, which I have done. I will provide it in the next video how I did that.
You brush past me in the hallway and you don't think I can see it through you. I've been watching you for ages and I spent my time.
So as you can see, that is Justin Bieber. Now if I have to simply turn that off and listen to the music section, let me also turn off the lock. It's better to use Adobe Audition or any other software that you have in your system, but for me, I do not have any other. That's why I'm using Camtasia. It is not actually a good editor, but it will do the basic stuff that you are looking for. So as you can see, that is the music. However, I have not downloaded the vocal, I mean the bass and drum. I need to download that one, and so I have to mix and make sure that that is completely a good song that's sang by Justin Bieber instead of Taylor Swift. So anyway, that is the whole purpose of this video, where you can use it, how to separate music, vocal, bass and drum from each other using vocalremover.org, which is an AI tool. So it has heads off to the creator of this website, which has done an amazing job. Now you can just simply upload the vocal just like them into YouTube channel. As you can see, they have not done anything else, just created simply created a thumbnail, and then there is the vocal, and finally I think they have also added subtitle or no with lyrics. I think that's just pretty much. You can also do it the same and upload it into YouTube channel. Just create another YouTube channel for yourself, and make sure that you also read the copyright stuff, which is also very seriously serious. If you don't follow, you may get a strike from the owner of the artist. So anyway, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.